Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great in this month of November 2020. The festive season has already begun. I did upload a video last time around. I showed you all the beauty and makeup items that I have purchased. So this time around again is a haul, but it's all related to earrings and accessories and some of the new things that I have purchased in the last 2 to 3 months. So if this video interests you, if you like to know the things that I have purchased, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's begin with the video right away. So all these products have been purchased by me. Obviously there is no PR or anything like that, and I have accumulated these products in the last 2 to 3 months. So if you have been following me on my Instagram, I've already uploaded an Instagram reel where I have showed you some of the festive season type of desi style of earrings. So if you are not following me on my Instagram, please go ahead and follow me. If possible, I will upload it here on YouTube. As you know, as some of you may know this, that YouTube has also started its own version of the Instagram reel or TikTok style videos. So I will see if I can upload it here. But yes, I do upload a lot of Instagram reels. I've been trying to post there, so if you can follow me, it would be great. So yeah, I'm going to show you all the products one by one, and I'll just go ahead and collect all of them and be right back. Alright, so the first product in this haul is going to be this professional pair of barber scissors. This is how it looks like. मैंने अपने Instagram पे already बताया था, like my random and recent purchases. So I got this for 120. The original MRP was 150. So you should check your local shops, where they have all these beauty items. You definitely get discount. Now this is a really good scissor, and it's very sharp and perfect to cut the hair. But you have to be careful because you'll end up chopping more. Like I made a mistake when I cut my mom's hair. So I feel if you're cutting hair at home, you should use a tiny scissor. मतलब इस तरीके से आप कम mistakes करोगे. So I'm just sharing my personal experience because I have been cutting my hair since last December, because I honestly don't like step cuts and all those weird kind of cuts, because what happens then, the hair becomes very uneven and then you cannot style your hair properly. But I'm happy I got this scissor. It's very inexpensive, so yeah, definitely check your local shops. You get some good stuff there. The next thing I purchased is, in fact, this my mom had purchased, and I told that we should go for this brush because her hair is very thick. So this is how the brush looks like, and this is from this brand called Bonnie. So it's a local brand, I guess. I've never spotted it online, and this is how it looks like. So she got this brush for 100 or 120 rupees. Now she gave it to me because according to her, this is not the brush she was looking for, although I feel that this is perfect for to smoothen out your hair. Like I have used it today since she has given it to me, and can you see it really helps with the frizz part. Like your hair becomes really frizzy, and now winters have kind of started. So this brush is really good for like 100 or 120 rupees for what the price is. I would highly recommend if you can find this in your stores. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. The third thing I got is not related to beauty, but I got it and I really love it, so I wanted to mention about it. I was looking for this thing for a long time. Like if you're a content creator, if you're a blogger, if you make Instagram reels, every time मतलब tripod पे phone या camera रखने का एक झंझट हो जाता है. I would not say camera you have to use a tripod, but for the phone you definitely need a stand as such. So I got this stand, and this is how it looks like. Isn't it amazing? And guess what, how much I paid for it? I paid 50 rupees and I got two of these. So I got one in a different color, and this is really handy. Like you can keep it on your desk, you can keep your mobile here, you can talk on your Instagram stories, you can make Instagram shorts, videos. I had tried and used this for 2 videos that I made, and it's really handy. It also has an adjustable option here, so you can put it back or keep it straight. So I really like it, and I think it's also available in a shop near to my house. So if I buy it and try it, I'll let you know. The best thing is that it is made in India, and I paid 50 rupees for 2. So really you should check your local markets, because I've been seeing on Amazon and you get a tiny one, you get 100 rupees, you get 2, and you have to also pay for shipping. तो ज़्यादा महंगा पड़ जाता है. So yes, these were the first 3 items that I wanted to show, which are not exactly like accessories or related to beauty and stuff. So I'm going to show you the next set of products. Stay tuned for that. So moving on, I'm going to show you certain hair accessories which are very basic, which I got from the market, and I thought I'll show you guys. So I got some of these rubber bands. Now I paid 10 rupees and I got 12 pieces. So I'm very happy with that. So I got different colors, but I chose black and white the most because you know sometimes certain colors may not look that great. So yeah, I'm happy with this purchase. And like I said, I paid 10 rupees and I got 12 pieces, so I'm really happy. Next thing are these hair ties. Like kitne bhi kharido is not enough. Like I always use these, and once it gets loose and all stuff, so I throw it out. So I really need this. I mean, I cannot live without hair ties. And randomly I purchased this clip as well, so I paid only 10 rupees, and it works really well for my thin hair, because if I buy a huge clip, it does not, it literally slides down my hair, and I do not like that. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And I got two hairbands. So if you know me, you would know that I love hairbands and I have to buy them. And this year maximum hairbands मेरे टूटे हैं, so I don't know what's the problem. Maybe the quality is not that great. So this is the most common hairband. I'm sure all of you must be owning one of these. Now the strange part is I remember buying this like years back for like 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Now it's for 20 rupees. And I honestly don't like, the quality of this. This is too wide, but I'll see how it works and I'll let you know whether it's good or not. And if you have watched one of my previous haul videos, I showed you this pearl hairband. So that was a little bit defective. So like always, if I like something, if I find it's defective, so I will definitely buy a backup. So I bought one more of this one. This one was again priced at 20 rupees. Okay, so moving on, I think the only thing remaining are earrings. So I did post on my Instagram reels a video showing the earrings that I have recently purchased and which are like apt for festive season. All the earrings I'm going to show you are all from local market, and guess what, they are only priced at rupees 50 or 30 or less than that. So the first pair of earring is this one. Isn't it pretty? Like 30 rupees में आपको ये earring मिलेगा, and I have seen similar style earrings on Amazon, and they कुछ भी मतलब लिख देते जो भी मन में आता है. So I'm really liking this earring. It's only for 30 rupees. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. The next pair of earrings are these peacock earrings. I remember everybody must have bought it back in the day, but somehow I couldn't lay my hands on it. And I honestly feel that there is a better version of this. This one is little thin and flimsy, but it still looks nice. So this is how it looks like. Again, I have showed it on my Instagram in an Instagram reel. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you're definitely missing out. So this is the next pair of earrings. And the next one is again for 30 bucks. Yes, you heard that right, 30 rupees only. And this is the earring I got. How pretty is that? I really like that the bottom part where you get these colorful beads. So ये कौन से भी outfit पे चल सकता है. Even if you're wearing a t-shirt, I feel you can wear these type of earrings, like it will look good, isn't it? So that was that. The next pair of earring that I got are these ones. Again, this is for 30 rupees. You won't believe it, but yes, it is. So this is how it looks like. So I really wanted a silver one, but I couldn't find it, so I went for this one, because kabhi kabhi ek earring milta hai, then you will not find it again. So this is how it looks like. I hope you can see that. Again, it has got all these multicolored beads, and you can pair this with any outfit. Like if you wear a black salwar kurta, awesome, this will look amazing, isn't it? The next pair of earring that I got, in fact I had bought this quite some time back, and again I paid 30 rupees for this one, and this is how it looks like. Isn't it beautiful? So I like the ghungru part which is down, and that kind of makes a little bit of noise, but not much. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and I'm really happy with it. And the last pair of earrings that I want to show, which is priced at again ₹30, are these ones. In fact, this is my favorite among the lot that I have just showed you, and this is so perfect for Diwali. Like if you are not into like those huge earrings, definitely go for this one. So beautiful, isn't it? I love that detailing of pearls at the bottom. I really like it. Again, I have showed it on my Instagram reel, तो वहाँ पे आप जाके देख सकते हैं. So yeah, these were some of the earrings I bought. I paid ₹30 for each of them. So I would urge you to go to your local markets and check out local vendors. They really need our support, and you should definitely buy from them. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to say. One, I'm going to show you 3 pairs of earrings, and each of them are priced at only ₹10. Yes, you heard that right, ₹10. If you go to your local market, you can easily find these, and I have a knack of spotting something which is different. Because you know, sometimes some earrings that come in the market, everybody is buying them, and I feel like I shouldn't buy it. Yeah, sometimes I feel that way, so I don't buy those earrings which are very common. So the first pair of earring is this one. So it's really cute and very dainty and tiny, and it will really look nice. Like even you can wear it on t-shirt and stuff. Like not bad, right? For ₹10. The next pair of earrings are kind of hoops, and they are really tiny. So this is how it looks like. It has got the shiny beads kind of thing stuck to it, and it will really look nice in the ear. I wish they had like a bigger hoop kind of style. If I find it, I'll definitely buy it and show you guys. And the last pair of earrings are the ones I'm wearing today. This is again for ₹10, and I really liked it because it has got this leaf pattern, and I have seen a similar style of earring on Purple, and it is priced at ₹200 or something. Of course, there might be a difference in the quality, but yeah, itna mehenga earring, you know, if you have a lot of earrings like me, then that will take a back seat. But if you are somebody who buys, you know, particular pieces, and if you are going to use it, then you can definitely go for it. I feel that the similar style of earring is there on the internet, but it is overpriced. ₹10 में आपको मिल सकता है. Definitely you can. So yeah, I really like this earring. So these were all the earrings that I got. Lastly, I just wanted to mention 2 bindis that I got, 2 styles. The first one is this one. I could have worn it today in the video, but I kind of forgot. So probably in my future videos I'll wear it. So this is only for ₹10, and the brand is called Parinita. So this is really cute. You can wear it on anything, whether it's, you know, ethnic outfits or your normal everyday outfit. And the next one is a very normal diamond style bindi, again from the same company, Parinita, and this is again for ₹10. So I'm planning to go shopping tomorrow. Probably I'll buy more bindis if I find of different patterns. Since it's Diwali, I need to treat myself, right? So yeah, these were all the earrings, accessories and products that I have purchased in the last 2 to 3 months. So I hope you like this video. Let me know which was your favorite part of the video, the earrings, the accessories, anything in particular you liked. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and help me reach 2000 subscribers. So this is it for today. I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.